of it about these days. It's not the same as when we were younger. A lot of what about? You know. It. Oh, it. I hear that your Nigel gets lots of it. He's a good boy, really. It's probably just a phase. He's been in a bit of trouble about it recently. Him and Audrey's daughter, what's her name? Tapioca. I said to him, Nigel, no good will come of it, you mark my words. Still, you've got to feel sorry for her. What was her problem? The poor girl. It must come from her father's side. Audrey's lot never showed any trace of it. Skin disease, I mean. Speaking as a mother, even I'd be pushed to love that phrase. Sort of ironic, really? Her being called Tapioca and all. Still, you've got to feel sorry for her. Poor girl didn't ask for that to happen to her. Oh, it's terrible, really. Terrible!
I can't hear those washerwomen anymore. My ears must have developed dribble filters.